Shoutout kay Christmas Bay, padayon sa imuang mga contents. Kana lang, more followers, subscribers para sa imuang padayon ganda siya.
Sir, pwedeng malaman ang pangalan mo, sir?
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ryan of Sinangag Station. I'm the Vice President of Sinangag Station. So, I'd like to introduce you to Sinangag Station. We're a family-owned business. We've been in the business for 21 years. We currently have 8 branches and we're trying to expand to our franchise program. Okay. So, what's Sinangag Station? We're a 24-hour casual dining restaurant that serves Filipino favorites and comfort food like kapsilog, bangus, and a la carte, caldereta, lechon kawale, lapas batchoy, and many more Filipino favorites. Okay. Our franchise, we offer a single unit franchise. That's our package with the lowest franchise fee of 250,000 pesos. We are actually the lowest in our category. The franchise fee already is included in the total investment. It also includes renovation, initial stocks, equipment, training, uniforms, and company support, especially during the opening. So, what do we have in store for our franchisees? Well, we provide 100% support. If you have any problems, it's not a problem. We have an executive chef who tours around our franchise outlets and our own outlets, as well as our area supervisors, who helps the franchisees with any obstacles they may encounter. Since we are a 24-hour operation, you can contact us anytime regarding any concerns with your franchise. We could also help you with your location, or particularly, we're planning to expand in the Visayas and Mindanao area. For more details, you can visit our website at www.sinangagstationfranchise.com, or you can call us at 0917-193-8162.